We're in the southernmost region of Portugal, called the Algarve. We're here to cook up a feast that features the best of Portuguese tradition, mixed with modern technique. I will be joined by Michelin-star chefs Leonel Pereira.
We work only for respect the product and give the more flavor as possible,
And Louis Anjos.
Around all Portugal, we have a lot of culture, a lot of ingredients. It's fantastic to use it.
First up, we'll source some seasonal ingredients at one of the chef's favorite spots, the Municipal Market, located in the heart of the city of Faro.
The problem is we never stop. A little bit more, a little bit more.
Oh my God! Next, we'll head to the sea in search of the blue crab, a new species to inhabit the area. Thanks to chefs like Leonel and Luis, it has become a gastronomic delicacy in this part of the world.
Whoa!
Wow!
We got two!
This is big, eh?
Then we'll head back to Leonel's restaurant, São Gabriel, known for creating formidable taste inspired by the sea. On the menu will be the makings of an incredible Portuguese feast, featuring two traditional dishes, a Cataplana and a Caldeirada, which will be served up just in time for friends who are coming to share this incredible meal.
Wow!
Next, on a Moveable Feast with Fine Cooking Magazine.